You know that feeling? You're standing in a supermarket. You need one thing, but you can't say it. So you walk around for 10 minutes, pretending to look, hoping you'll just find it. We've all been there. Today, that ends. Period. By the time this video ends, you'll walk into any English-speaking store and know exactly what to say. No hesitation, no pointing, no, Here's how this works. I say it, you repeat it, out loud. If you're in public, whisper it, I don't care, but your mouth has to move. That's how your brain learns. Ready? Let's shop. First things first, you walked in. You have no idea where anything is. Here's exactly what you say. Excuse me, where can I find the bread? Which aisle is the pasta in? I'm looking for olive oil. Can you point me in the right direction? Do you sell fresh herbs, like basil or cilantro? Quick one, it's not cilantro, it's cilantro. Say it with me, cilantro. This one trips everyone up. Now you know. Is there a dairy section? I need milk and eggs. Where do you keep the frozen stuff? Native tip, we say stuff, not things. Where's the frozen stuff? Sounds natural. Where are the frozen things? Sounds like a textbook. Small word, big difference. Quick question before we move on. How many of these have you actually used before in real life? 1, 2, 0? Tell me in the comments. Okay, keep going. All right, you found what you need. But wait, is it on sale? Is this the right price? Let's handle that. Is this on sale? How much is this? Is there a discount if I buy 2? Are these buy one, get one free? Native tip, buy one, get one free is so common that Americans just say BOGO, as in, are these BOGO? Now you sound like you've lived there for years. Excuse me, I think this rang up wrong. The tag said $5. Native tip, rang up means what the register shows. If the price is wrong, say that exact sentence. They'll fix it immediately. Do you have a loyalty card or membership I can sign up for? Is this the best price you have on this? Bonus sentence. Does this expire soon? You're asking about the expiration date. Short, simple, essential. This part terrifies most learners, the deli counter. You have to talk to a person. No screen, no menu, just you and them. Let's fix that right now. Quick note on measurements. In the US, they use pounds and ounces. In the UK, Canada, and Australia, you'll hear grams and kilos. I'll give you both, so you're covered anywhere. Can I get half a pound of turkey? Sliced thin, please. Or, can I get 200 grams of turkey? Sliced thin, please. I'll take a quarter pound of cheddar, the sharp one. Or, I'll take 100 grams of cheddar, the sharp one. Native tip, I'll take is the #1 way natives order at counters. Not, I would like to purchase, just, I'll take. 2 words, instant native sound. Can I try a small piece before I buy? What do you recommend? What's popular? That's enough, thank you. Actually, can you make it a little thicker, like this? Bonus sentence. Can you wrap that separately for me? Simple, but most learners never know how to say it. We're almost done. One more section, the checkout. Final boss. Don't quit on me now. You made it to the counter. Everything is scanned. The cashier is looking at you. Here's what you say. I'll pay with card. Can I get a bag, please? No bag, thanks. I brought my own. Can I tap? Native tip. Can I tap means contactless payment. If they say insert, that means use the chip. If they say swipe, that's old school, still used in the US. Do you take Apple Pay? Google Pay? Here you go. Keep the change. Bonus sentence. I really appreciate it. Not just thank you. I really appreciate it sounds warmer and more natural. Use it every time. All right, speed round. No breaks, no pauses. Keep up if you can. Go. Where's the bread? Which aisle is pasta? How much is this? Is this on sale? Are these BOGO? I think this rang up wrong. I'll take half a pound, sliced thin, please. What do you recommend? That's enough, thanks. Can I tap? No bag, I brought my own. I really appreciate it. Boom, you just did a full grocery shop in English, from entrance to exit. Let's go. 25 sentences plus bonuses in under 11 minutes. You now know more practical shopping English than most people learn in a month of classes. Here's your homework. And I'm serious. Today, not tomorrow, today. Go to any store. Say one sentence out loud to a real person. Even just, "Excuse me, where can I find anything?" Then come back and tell me in the comments, what did you say and what did they say back? I read every single comment. Day 2, we're going clothes shopping. You're going to need to know how to ask for a different size, how to find the fitting room, and what to say when something doesn't fit right. Subscribe so you don't miss day 2. See you tomorrow.